when it comes to pension contracts, if you're self-employed or you're a PAYE worker, which means you're working in a company that hasn't got access to an occupational pension scheme, you have a couple of options when it comes to a pension contract. One of those contracts is a personal retirement savings account, or otherwise known as a PRSA. A PRSA is very similar to a personal pension plan, so it's really easy to understand. PRSAs are personal pension plans. If you're in that bracket, that's what you need to invest in, that's what you need to have your pension in. In those two pensions, what happens is you have a couple of options. If you're self-employed, you just put it through your own bank account and you're putting 200 quid a month through a say. When you get to do your tax return at the end of the financial year, 30th of October, your accountant will allow the contribution into your pension off your tax return and reduce your tax bill. Really no-brainer and really simple to understand. Now, if you're in an occupational pension, or if you're not an occupational pension plan and you're in an employed situation where you work for somebody that doesn't provide an occupational pension plan, you can set up a PRSA or, in fairness, a personal pension plan either. Either or will go through your own personal bank account. Employers are obliged to put your PRSA through payroll, but let's take it that you don't want to ask your employer that question just yet, and you're going to put it through your own payroll. I'm going to talk you through how the tax is computed and how it works out for you. So if you decide to contribute €100 per month and you're on the higher rate of income tax, you're going to get 40% back. All that happens is the €100 comes out from your personal bank account and your tax credits are adjusted, which mean you will get an extra €40 in your wages that month. So overall, 100 quid goes out, an extra 40 quid comes in. So the net cost to you in that month is €60 towards your pension. Very simple to understand. Depending on which contract you go for, you can invest in different things. I'm going to do a video below this one in relation to investments and what you should be looking for. There's not really much difference between a PRSA and a personal pension. In fact, when PRSAs were introduced in early to the 2000s, they were supposed to get rid of personal retirements accounts or personal pensions, but they didn't. So you just have two choices now. If you're worried or you want advice around which one suits yourself best, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me or the team and we'll take you through both options. Cheers, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos.